my name is Brian Wilson. I am a staff systems engineer with the NSBU. I currently specialize in healthcare. I've been with VMware for approximately 4+ years. This VMworld, I created the 1925 pod, which serves two different labs. The first lab is the NSX Advanced Consumption Lab. The other lab is the NSX with SRM for disaster recovery. The disaster recovery lab was written by Win Bin Tay. I wrote the SRM Advanced Consumption Lab. Hopefully you'll get a chance to take those labs. The labs are pretty interesting. They both cover multi-site, mine dealing a little bit more with the API consumption as well as VPN services and how to automate some of the connectivity with that regard. Ben's lab deals with SRM and how to create a seamless automated disaster discovery scenario. Hopefully you'll get a chance to take those, and we look forward to any feedback you may have. Please enjoy.